smells bad, but I gotta do it for the video. Smells bad.
It don't smell bad. That's garlic. Here, you want me to open it?
I don't know Those are not good. Guys. So today, guys, we got some cucumbers out of the garden, and we're going to try to make some pickles.
That's right.
That's right. Look at these big cucumbers. They're big, ain't they?
Yeah, they're big.
Yeah.
You gotta first do this. Gotta like.
Good job. Good job.
What?
Go ahead. You're doing good.
That's how we do it. Here.
Okay. Getting too low, huh?
So look how many cucumbers we got sliced now.
We let our cucumbers get a little bit too big, but that's okay. We still are going to do our pickles out of them. You can spear them, you can slice them, you can make them sandwich slices,
Yeah, you
spears,
can do
round.
You can do like anything with them.
But we want these because we're making the pickle
The pickles.
where we can put them on hamburgers this time, huh?
Kind of like a pickle out of a store.
Yeah. But we're making our own, huh?
Yep.
You ready to get to it?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, here's our jars. We put them in the oven for a few minutes and they just come out. They're kind of hot. But we're going to set them aside. And they are the wide mouth ones. I still do have to boil my lids. And so we're going to go ahead and tell you the ingredients though. This is the dill.
And this is like, I don't know if this is
Garlic.
garlic, but this
Peppercorn.
peppercorn is mustard seed, pepper,
Dill seed.
dill seed. Okay.
And that's all our ingredients that we're going to put into our jars. You ready to do that?
Yes.
Okay. This is our apple cider vinegar. And we have some Himalayan salt over there. And we're going to start our vinegar and our Himalayan salt over here on the stove. While it's heating up, we're going to go ahead and put our ingredients in our jar. So let us get started on that. We'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to put, this is my apple cider vinegar. I'm going to put a whole gallon of that into my pot. If it'll hold it. I usually use a bigger pot, but...
So like it's kind of like a,
Okay. And then I don't measure my salt. I just kind of pour it in. And kind of eyeball it a little bit. And I'm going to mix that up a little bit. And then I'm going to turn that on and let it heat up. And while it is heating, we'll go back over here and put our ingredients in our jar.
this is how we do our ingredients. So we just take this, my little plastic spoon, we just get some of this. Well, we just pour this into our hand.
You can do it.
Like this. but that's too much.
Go ahead. Here, you can pour it in.
Too much.
Go ahead.
Right there.
Good job. We place them in, huh?
Place them in.
There's about 15 or 20 peppercorns in there.
And now we're going to try to get a little spoonful of this.
Mm-hmm.
And drop it in.
Okay.
One more.
Good job. Okay. This is the mustard seed that he just put in. This is the dill seed. Okay. Ready?
Whoop. So 1, 2. Smells bad, but I gotta do it for the video. Smells bad.
It don't smell bad. That's garlic. Here, you want me to open it?
I don't know what
It's garlic.
it was.
You want to smell it? Go ahead. Don't fall off the counter. There you go.
That's not.
So this is how we do it. We
Okay.
just throw our cucumbers in, and we just wait until it's halfway filled up, so that we can put some of the dill in, just like that.
Okay.
Now we got our jar halfway filled up, and we break this up, and we just throw it right in.
Do you remember what that's called?
Dill salt.
Dill. That's
Dill.
right.
And we just take some and put it in. We wait for some cucumbers to go in after. So like you smell like cucumbers. Smell like pickles. We use them for pickles.
Okay, now we're going to put all our other ingredients in the rest of our jars, and we'll come back, right?
Yes. Now that we got all our cucumbers in our jar, it's time to get our lids in our pot so they can get hot.
That's right, Bobby. Ready? Okay.
I don't.
Okay, here you go.
You gotta do one at a time.
What we normally do for our lids is we just take a scoop of our vinegar and put it in here and let our lids soak in it until they get hot. We are making what people consider refrigerator pickles, which basically means that we don't water bathe ours because they get real soggy and mushy, and we just don't care for them like that. But if you do them right and your lids seal, they will last for months, possibly years on your shelf. As you can see, our brine is boiling and our lids, the water is really hot. I just turned it off as well. So we're going to take it over here and put it in our jars. Fill it right to the tip of the jars. We're going to take and wipe all the jars off with a dry towel to help make sure that they seal good.
While these are good and hot, I'll grab them and stick them on for her. Because it normally don't It burns, but not as bad as I guess it would for her. I just reach my fingers there and grab them longer.
That hurts my fingers.
And then they too beneficial for mine.
We usually have like 9 or 10 out of 12 that seal pretty good for us. And the 1 or 2 that don't, we just take them and stick them in the refrigerator anyhow and eat them first.
Snug it till it gets snug like that, and about that much more.
I just force it in.
You just force it in?
I just force all my strength in.
Oh yeah.
Okay guys, this is what we're left with. This is our dill pickles that we made. And like I said, we're going to leave these out till tomorrow. And the ones that seal, we are going to take and put in our pantry for 3 or 4 months. And then eat on them. They don't usually last us but 5-6 months. And the ones that don't seal, we'll put in the refrigerator and eat first. But as you can see all the ingredients. And they soak through it all really good. So if you like a really good dill pickle, try this recipe. We'll leave it in the comments. Okay, I hope you really liked the video that we made with our dill pickles. The grandkids really love these. We really love these. We enjoy to sit down and have a cookout and eat our pickles with our hamburgers and stuff. So you can try it yourself. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that like and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one.